Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review some really good products. Actually today we are going to do what's in my bag edition. Yay! So this I actually wanted to do since like a very long time because I've been seeing all these celebrities, like showing off their bags and what's inside their bag and showing all the stuff. So yeah, let's start with the products. So it's like basically क्या होता है बैग में कैसे होता है and all this stuff. So yeah, let's start with the first thing. A brush. Guys, this is very important because you need to keep on brushing your hair to activate your nerves and activate blood flow in your hair. I've seen this in one blog where Anushka Sharma was showing like why having comb is so important in your bag. So yeah, this is like a very important thing. Comb. Second thing I have is a wet tissue wipes. So usually this is not that big, but इस बार मुझे मिला नहीं छोटा वाला, so I got this small wet tissue wipe. So इसी से काम चला रही हूँ मैं. Again, this is very important for me because usually I travel outside and कभी कभी बहुत गर्मी होती है, so for that I really need to like wipe my face again and again and also to remove makeup. So yeah. Third, I have this cute little book. I always keep this cover to keep the book clean, neat and safe. So yeah, this is a very cute book, notebook, diary, whatever you say, which I have. I keep my notes in it, and it's really helpful. It's really very compact to fit in my small bag. So yeah, by the way, this is a puffer bag, so I really like puffer bags, really. Next I have is a scrunchie. Again, very important, just to like tie your hair and then go outside, and when it's too hot you can anytime tie your hair and feel very nice. Next I have my moisturizer, my Hyphen ka barrier cream. Come on. Yeah. So again, this is very essential for me since the time I got to know about my skin type. So it's very important for me. Next I have this. Oh, I have something here. Oh, I have this small watch. Like I don't know if it's coming or not. So it's a gift. जैसे उर्वशी रौटेला का था. But this is not some crore का या लाखों का watch. It's very simple watch I have gifted by someone very special. Next I have this mask. I always keep this with me because I feel this is very important abhi because of the pollution and heat and everything and traffic, so you need a mask. So yeah, for that I keep this. COVID के टाइम से तो यार चालू ही हो गया. So yeah. Next I have my foundation tube. This is Just Herbs का foundation tube. It's very essential for me because nowadays I'm trying not to put a lot of like harsh chemicals or harsh foundation on my face. So yeah, I'm using this. मेरा बैग भी आ रहा है. Then next I have this, my perfume, my everyday perfume. This is so good and I really like the smell. I always like to smell good, so I make sure there are like at least 2-3 perfumes in my in my bag, so you'll find a lot of perfumes. So yeah, I have this perfume. I'll just keep this here, बहुत ज़्यादा space ले रहा है. Then I have this eyeshadow palette, nudes का eyeshadow palette. ये ऐसे ही कभी कभी रख देती हूँ मैं, तो आ जाता है. So this is very important, and please guys don't judge me on this, but I keep this Amritanjan ka roll on balm uh, because you know it smells good. Whenever I feel nausea or I feel like, you know, I don't feel good, I'm having very bad headache, this thing, it actually helps. Please don't judge me, but this thing is actually good. Next I have is, oh, very important, sunscreen. Yes, I use this Dermacoca sunscreen, which is again very important for everyone, be it any person. This sunscreen is like magic. Any sunscreen, like I feel nowadays you need to apply sunscreen wherever you go outside, because radiation itna ho gaya hai, sun exposure, you know, dirt and all this pollution. So yeah, sunscreen is a must. You should keep it in your bag. Next I have again one more comb. ये टूटा हुआ comb है, छोटा इसे रखती हूँ, please again don't judge. Then I have this this mirror and comb combo. It's going all good. Yeah, I just, ये एक्चुअली ये मेरे छोटे बैग्स के लिए रहता है, तो मैं सारे सामान एक ही बैग में डाल देती हूँ जब भी मुझे किधर जाना होता है, तो इसीलिए. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्यूट थिंग. या इट्स माई मैजिक मिरर. मिरर में देख लेती हूँ थोड़ा सा. गुड. देन आई हैव दिस नेल पेंट. यार कभी कभी रखना पड़ता है इमरजेंसी के लिए, यू नो, कभी अगर तुमने नहीं लगाया जल्दी जल्दी में जाते हो, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक क्विक वाला, quick fast dry nail paint. So yeah, I keep a nail paint in my bag. Then very important, again very essential, Dot and Key ka this lip balm. So this lip balm is like extra hydrating for people who really want, like, you know, good, like जिनके बहुत ड्राई होते हैं होठ, जैसे मेरे बहुत ड्राई होता है, बिकॉज आई डोंट इवन ड्रिंक लाइक लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर. सो या दिस इज़ वेरी गुड, एंड आई फील एवरीवन शुड कीप अ लिप बाम इन देयर बैग. यस, अ हेयर क्लिप, अगेन नेसेसिटी फॉर एवरी वुमन. मुझे लगता है लंबे बाल हैं जिनके, यार लगते ही है, क्या करें. I don't know why there is a Vaseline in my bag, but yeah, why not? Why not? Then a hair clip, this tic tac clip, again मेरे लिए बहुत important रहता है ये. कभी भी, you never know, it can be useful to you, to someone else, कभी भी किसी को काम आ सकता है. So yeah, यार मेरी बैग नहीं ठहर रही है, अच्छे से ठहरनी चाहिए ना. लग ही नहीं रहा है जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. What's in my bag? लग ही नहीं रहा है. Okay, lipstick, very 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 important again. Not important for everyone, but yeah, I love applying lipstick. I don't do too much of makeup, so lipstick, mascara, this is like essential for me. So yeah, I keep all these things handy. Next, okay, do not again judge or laugh on this, but I have this nail stickers. I've just got it, so मैंने अपने बैग में ही रख दिया था ये, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे I should keep on keeping them in my bag because it's like you never know, again तुमको कभी भी लग सकता है. nail stick-ons, you know. So yeah, मैंने अपने बैग में रखा है. It's totally up to you guys to do this pagalpanti. Then I have this really cute eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is like my fave eyeshadow. See, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, it's glittery and it's very beautiful and it's like very nice. See, look at this. Can you see it? Yeah. See, it is so beautiful. I just apply it on my eyes and it looks like really 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 good. Again handy, you never know, तुमको पार्टी जाने का मन हो जाए and then you just want to, you know, apply all these things, nail and this and this. So yeah, always keep it handy. Okay, I have this pencil, eyebrow pencil. I have medicines. uh, these are my medicines. Again I keep it handy. मेडिसिन का एक्चुअली मेरा एक पाउच रहता है, बट वो पाउच मैंने किधर तो भी घुमा दिया है. आई हैव पेन विथ माई बुक. ये पहले आना चाहिए था, पता नहीं ये बुक के साथ क्यों नहीं आया, बट ठीक है, मेरे साथ ही होता है हमेशा ऐसा. अगेन वन मोर लिपस्टिक भाई मिलेंगे आपको मेरे बैग में, आपको बहुत सारे लिपस्टिक्स मिलेंगे. और पता नहीं ये चीज़ क्या कर रही है मेरे बैग में. सो ये चीज़ मैंने एक्चुअली मैं बैग में नहीं रखती हूँ. मैंने ये चीज़ इसीलिए बैग में रखना चालू किया है क्योंकि ये चीज़ मैंने खरीदी तो है पर मैं इसे यूज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ध्यान ही नहीं रहता है. तो अगर मैं अपने बैग में रखूँगी तो शायद से मुझे आई विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज यूल सी मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा डबल चिन है, बहुत ज़्यादा फेस फैट है. सो या आई नीड ऑल दिस थिंग्स टू keep in my bag so that I don't forget it and I keep on using it. So yeah, मेरे बाल बड़े बिगड़ गए यार. So yeah guys, that's all was there in my bag, all this stuff. Oh my god, just look at this, crazy isn't it? ये सारा स्टफ लड़कियां रखती है अपने बैग में और ये सब आ भी जाता है. So imagine like we take care of ourselves so much. वैसे मेरे बैग में सेफ्टी पिन्स भी रहता है. आई थिंक सो इट्स इन माई अदर बैग. देर आर फ्यू मोर स्टफ्स इन माई बैग. यस, इसके अलावा और भी स्टफ रहता है. सो या फॉर नाउ दैट्स इट. Thank you so much again for watching my video and please guys subscribe to my channel. I am very new to it and please like, share, subscribe like everyone says. And thank you so much again. Bye, see you in my next vlog.